Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. Modern C, 3rd edition, covers the C23 standard, written by Jens Gustedt.
The first part of the book introduces you to C programming. It shows you what C programs look like and the basic pieces you'll encounter. This isn't a complete overview, but it's enough to spark questions and present core ideas we'll explore throughout the book. Programming in C means giving your computer direct orders. That's imperative programming. Whether you're new to programming or not, be patient. The concepts will click as you go. C bridges the gap between human instructions and computer actions. A C program is built from various components that work together. Statements, instructions that execute tasks, and functions like printf that do the work. Here's an example. We're calling printf with a format string that prints the text element, followed by a size t placeholder, the value of the element as a float or double, a tab, the text its square is, a second float, double placeholder, and finally a new line character. The first argument passed is the variable I, which will be used for the %zu placeholder. The second argument is the value of the array A at index I, which fills the first %g placeholder. The third and final argument is the square of the element A at index I, which fills the second %g placeholder. The statement is then closed. These components combine with other elements like declarations, which set up your data, and loops, which process it, to create complete programs. The special markers within printf's format string. Format specifiers, starting with %, that control output and escape characters, such as \t, tab, and \n, new line, for special effects. C needs compilation. A compiler translates your text into machine code. Different machines need different compilers, but your C code stays the same. That's portability. You'll use compilers like GCC or Clang with options such as -wall to enable warnings. Your code goes in a .c file, and compilation produces an executable you can run. If the code has an error, the compiler tells you exactly where and often suggests fixes. Pay attention to these messages. They're your guide to writing reliable, standard-conforming code. A C program should compile cleanly without warnings.
Get this book at manning.com